All right, good morning, fifth grade. So today's assignment has to do with chemical change. And as the directions say, you're going to think about that Go React website that I shared with you and those videos that I shared with you about chemical change. And you're going to draw a picture of chemical change. So it can be a picture of anything that shows chemical change. And then you also need to explain why it is a picture or why it shows chemical change. Then you're going to take a photo of your picture and put that photo of your picture on your slideshow and turn it in here. And I'm going to walk you through how to do that. So what I did, as you can see, I drew a picture of chemical change. And as part of my picture, I explained over here why it's chemical change. You got to have that too, not just a picture, but why it's chemical change. And then I took a photo of my picture, and I've got that over here on my desktop. So I'm going to open up my science notebook, and if you don't know how to do that, you're going to search in your Google Drive, and you're going to find your science notebook. So you're going to go ahead and find that. Here it is. Looks like this, remember? And you did some stuff about me, and then here, well, yours wasn't a parachute. You guys did a picture of a mixture right here. And then this next one is going to be chemical change. And I'll tell you what, how about if you work really hard at spelling that correctly? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that photograph and I'm going to drag that. I want to drag it right in here. That's not very fun. There we go. So I'm going to drag my photo and I'm going to resize it so it fits right there on my slide. And if you want to type over here why it's an example of chemical change, you can, or in my case, I wrote it on the picture. And then the important thing is how to turn this in. Now, this is the part you guys are struggling with. So on yours, you'll open up your assignment right here. And of course, yours is going to look a little different because you're not a teacher, you're a student, so yours is going to look a little bit different. But I had Mr. Dorhout assign something to me, so I can show you what it looks like here for me. So on this classroom, I'm going to open it up. And this is what your screen would look like, except it's science. And you have this workspace over here that says you're going to add or create. And you're going to click that. And let's see, I want to get rid of that. Okay. So you're going to choose add or create. And you're going to go into your Google Drive. And it's going to be real recent because you just worked on it. So you're going to select that. And then you're going to turn it in. And what you need to make sure is that you are turning it in. For you, it's going to say assignment 3 right there. Make sure you're turning it into assignment 3. And there you have it. That's what you do. All right, and then there was a Flipgrid challenge that I posted the other day too. You can do that too when you've got this done. All right, have fun. Turn that in.